Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Vlogmas. I'm feeling good. We've got a couple days of prep left before the party, and I feel like because I got through like the big things, still have to construct the lasagna, but the bolognese was a big thing. Cheesecake is done. We got a lot of prep still to do, but a lot of the big things I'm either ready for or have been done already. And the apartment is feeling good. There's one giant thing that still needs to be done for this party, and that is the table. I need to build the table. If you have seen my videos from previous parties, I create a large table to fit all of my friends around, basically using the old table that I had at a previous apartment way long ago. It's honestly just like a crappy IKEA thing. Do that with my current dining table, but to make it all look cohesive and make it look like one giant thing, I've created a system to level them out, make it look like just one giant table. I would love to get that completely set up today, so that's just something completely off my plate so that I can just be in the kitchen and not have to stress out about anything else around the apartment for the rest of the weekend. So that's number one. I think at the very least, I want to unfall my patio. I don't know if I'm gonna do a whole like Christmas makeover. Maybe I'll throw some new pillows out there. I have some like little trees or something like that. I don't know. Maybe. But I'm not planning on doing a huge outdoor makeover for it. It's just something I didn't want to add to my plate. But I still have pumpkins out there. I need to get rid of those. And then we got prep. We got lots of prep to do kitchen-wise. So we're busy, but I'm feeling good. I'm feeling really, really good, guys. First things up, we are going to set this table. I'm actually still waiting on my table runner that I ordered a while ago. It was supposed to come yesterday. It says it's coming today. Fingers crossed. I really don't have a backup, so if it doesn't work, I don't know what I'm gonna do. We'll find out. Let's go ahead and assemble that table. I am about to have zero space in this apartment. First thing I want to do is I'm gonna get rid of this rug. It's just gonna look really silly since the table's gonna go this way for it just to be underneath half. I really wish I had a place to put this console table again. It's gonna be tight. Honestly, I'll probably just sit at the end. It won't be uncomfortable. It'll just be like a squeeze to get in and out. It's doable. Everybody will have enough room to move at the table. No one's gonna be tight at the table. It's just gonna be tight like moving around the table is what I'm worried about. It is what it is. I'm gonna go downstairs and grab the tabletop that I made. I have felt pads underneath this, so it's not hurting the table. It's actually not even technically touching the table. It's about a quarter of an inch off of it. Boom. I I honestly knew I was forgetting something. I was trying to go through a checklist of everything I needed to order earlier in the week. And the one thing I forgot was I wanted to get like a table pad to go underneath the tablecloth. It's what happens when you have a million things running through your head. It's too late now. I don't even know where I would go to pick up one of those. It's gonna be fine. I'm just gonna throw the tablecloth on it, and it is what it is. I'm not focusing, I'm really just focusing on the outside of the tablecloth here, smoothing those out, because theoretically, if it arrives, I'm gonna do the table runner down the middle, so I don't really need to spend a lot of time on that. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the chairs. I have a bunch of chairs downstairs, and just see placement-wise how tight this is actually gonna be, and if I need to move the table at all, or if it's in a good place. So this is tight. Also feels low, but nothing I can do about that. Honestly, I need the walking path on the other side. And if this person is like, you know, they're gonna be scooted out a little bit while they're actually eating, I can still get in and out. It's just tight. I think I'm gonna live with it. I'll put myself here so I'm the one that has to deal with it. Not to mention it's the head of the table and it's my party. Because I would much rather be tighter here than lose my walking room. Because that's, you know, people have to get in and out of the apartment. And if I do a foldable chair at the other end, like this one, then I could just put it when we're ready to go for dinner and that whole area can just be clear. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna live with it. Maybe I have a pillow or something. I don't know why this feels low. Or maybe this chair is just low. I wonder if it feels the same on this chair. Nah, it's just that chair. This feels fine. I would love to keep moving on with this table, but I kind of need that table runner before I do anything else. So why don't we're just gonna pop outside and defall, get rid of some of these pumpkins and stuff like that, clear that up while we wait. Hopefully it comes soon. Okay, I may add some lights or something out there, but for the most part, I think that's good. I don't want to stress out too much about the outside right now. It looks clean. It looks slightly Christmassy. It's gonna do. But look what came in while I was working out there. Looks like I'm gonna have to really like iron this out or steam it, but let's see if it works. Fingers crossed. It definitely needs to be steamed. I like it. I think it'll work. It's a little bit thinner than I was expecting it to be, but I mean, it adds that little touch of like tartan or plaid that I have going on in the living room, so at least it connects it with that. I'm gonna be doing like greenery and a centerpiece and stuff on top of it, not to mention chargers are gonna take up a lot of room. I think it'll fine. I think it's fine. The green I think is gonna be good. Actually, I think it might match my plates pretty well. Let me check. Not bad, not bad. I think these are a little bit more olivey and this is a little bit more evergreen. But it's not too far off. And they're not gonna be like right on top of each other, so I think it'll be fine. Let's build a little bit. I need to think about the napkin. I like these napkins that I have, and the green in them obviously matches the green with the rest. For me, it's just that it's green and white, and the tablecloth, because the tablecloth is like an off-white, I don't know, it's throwing me. Everything else is looking so good. I love the runner. I think it fits in so well. We're getting the plaids and the golds. It's getting exactly what I was hoping for. I'm gonna go ahead and call it a night because tomorrow we are starting bright and early. We have a lot of prep to get done. I feel good. This is all ready to go. We have a lot of food to get done tomorrow, but I feel really prepared. I feel really good. I'm gonna get a good night's sleep and I will see you guys bright and early in the morning. Bye guys.